In this video, I'll show you to turn JavaScript on or off in Google Chrome on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to quickly change the setting and control how websites display interactive content. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Google Chrome app on your Android phone or tablet. Once Chrome is open, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find various browser options. From the menu, tap Settings to access your browser preferences. Next, scroll down through the settings page until you see Site Settings. Depending on your Chrome version, this option may be located under Privacy and Security or Advanced. Tap Site Settings to continue. Inside Site Settings, you'll see a list of permissions that websites can request, such as camera, microphone, notifications, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Scroll until you find JavaScript, then tap on it. To enable JavaScript, choose Sites can use JavaScript. This is the default and recommended option because it allows websites to display interactive content and function as intended. To disable JavaScript, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Remember that some websites may appear broken or fail to load certain features after this change. Interactive elements, online forms, videos, and menus may stop working until JavaScript is turned back on. Once you've changed the setting, go back to the website you want to use. If it's already open, simply refresh the page so Chrome loads the site using the new JavaScript setting. Without refreshing, the changes may not take effect immediately. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Android and Chrome tips.